today we're going to be making our version of DALGONA MOCHA. Here are the ingredients. So we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder, one tablespoon of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. So now we're going to start whisking it. So you can continue mixing it, and if you're having a hard time, you could tilt the bowl to mix it thoroughly. As you can see, the color is starting to get lighter and it's starting to get more thick. Keep this up till it's really thick. So after about 10 to 15 minutes of mixing, this is how it should look like. It's really thick and light, but it's not as thick and light as the DALGONA coffee, but this will do. So for our next step, we're gonna be needing a glass and we're gonna put some ice in the glass. And then we're gonna put milk. Don't put too much milk because we're going to still be adding the DALGONA. And finally, we're going to be putting the DALGONA mixture into the whisk. Now it's time to try it. Wow, that's so good! But I'm gonna give it to my mom. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.